guys, it's Rhea, your Donya. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I have my special guest. His name is Eman. Say hi, Eman.
Hi.
Say hi to them, baby.
Hi.
Yeah. Eman is his birthday today. Ayan. How old are you, Eman? You talk to them, baby.
Birthday.
How old are you? How old are you? You're turning 6 today.
Yeah,
Yeah. Happy birthday, Eman. Eman will eat together.
Sushi.
Yeah, sushi together with Kadonya. They call me Kadonya. You say hello mga Kadonya. Hello!
Yeah.
Ayan. Today, guys, we will eat sushi, different kinds of sushi. We have tuna sushi. We have pink salmon sushi. We have Maki and lots of kinds
I know
of Maki.
Maki.
Yeah. This one is Camaron rebusado. Johan's favorite and Eman's favorite. Diba?
I like shrimp.
You love shrimp? This one. You love sushi?
Yeah, I like sushi. Yummy.
Okay, I have a question for you.
What?
What is your favorite food?
This and like not spicy ones. I like noodles, beef noodles.
Okay. What is your most favorites?
Okay.
You think they will gonna listen what is your favorite food? You think? Come on.
Big. I want a giant sushi.
Giant sushi, okay? Wag na nating patagalin pa mga kadonya kasi gutom na tong birthday boy natin. And gutom na rin ako because I didn't eat my lunch. Ayan. So, mga kadonya, let's eat. Let's begin. Kain na tayo. Come on, let's start. Eman. You choose what do you want to eat, okay, Eman?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can use my hands.
Okay. Oh my god, it's so yummy. Ooh. I have my first bite. Eman has his first bite. Mmm. Mmm. Let's try this one. So yummy. Mmm.
Next.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get you. Okay, you get it.
Good sushi.
Yeah. I'll try this one also. Johan loves sushi.
Good.
That is.
Oh god.
Mm.
It's like I'm in Chinese.
Yeah. Mm. So yummy, isn't it, Eman? I promised Eman to buy him sushi on his birthday and ice cream and cake. Mm. Oh, yummy. Say hi to Tita Pen.
Hi.
Tita Pen is always watching. What?
This is a special video.
Yeah, this is a special video. So yummy. What more do you want? Do you want to try this one? This
Yeah, I can use my hand. I can.
Yeah, okay. You eat. Today is your birthday, so we will eat what you love to eat, okay? Mm. Okay, I have another question for Emma. You rate this one, the Camaron rebusado of Sejo's Diner. You rate it from 10 is the highest.
I'll rate it 4.445.
Wow, that's too many. So yummy.
With a crispy nut.
Yeah,
They
it's
make
crispy.
It too good.
Yeah.
The perfect taste.
Yeah. Oh, yummy, right?
Nah.
Say hi to Ate Isabella.
Hi.
It's my birthday. Spicy?
No.
You want water?
No, okay. Just some food is stuck in my stomach and my neck. So that's my eye.
Okay.
So the air can then go down again to my stomach.
Okay. Sorry mga kadonyang. Nosebleed tayo kay Eman pero try natin ha. Sumabay sa kanya.
You know why?
You know water? Ooh. So yummy. Are you enjoying our food, Emma?
Yeah.
So yummy. Yeah. You get what you want. Okay?
It's just a smaller plate.
Yummy. Okay. Water?
It's raining.
It's raining.
It looks like a plant.
Yeah, it's an artificial grass.
This.
What do you want?
And try this. I didn't try
Okay.
it.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
lift that off.
Show them. What do you eat? Show them like this. Like that.
There's an ant on it.
No, it's not.
Ant.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It has a small ants. Okay. Show them what you got. That's a salmon. Yeah. Tastes good. Huh?
Lovely. Feel good.
Oh, yummy. You have 4 kinds of sushi. So yummy. Oh, yummy. Good. Later is the Eman birthday party. Yeah. Oh, yummy.
Good.
So good.
Okay.
It's perfect.
I rate this Nirvana.
Yeah. Is it craving satisfied? You're craving for sushi.
Yeah. Yeah. The eating of it is very satisfying.
Wow. So satisfying. Okay.
I
you
love
want?
salmons.
Okay, you get.
Salmons.
You love salmon sushi, right? You up. Come on, up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so yummy. What is your wish on your birthday?
Why is it spicy?
No?
Mm.
Okay.
Hang.
What is your wish for your birthday? What's your wish? Come on. What do you wish? What is your wish?
I had a better house.
Better house.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
our house had a rusty stuff, like a rusty pot, like a rusty,
No. Your house is nice.
but some are rusty,
Lola
right?
baby's house is nice.
Yeah, in the middle,
Okay.
and just cracked on the mirror. And Lola baby's
No.
mirror.
No, yeah, just the mirror because someone's broke it.
No, it's
But-
Marcos. He ran in with a pillow.
Yeah.
But she slapped him in the eye.
Okay. Okay.
Did you hear
Okay.
of that accident?
Yeah, I heard that. Okay, we will change the topic. Next mukbang, what do you want food for our mukbang? Do you want
Domino's tacos!
Domino's tacos, okay. Domino's tacos, baka naman. Ayan. Order po namin itong mga sushi is from Pampanga Food Tray Pampanga. At saka po yung ating Camaron rebusado is from Sejos Diner na napakasarap at laging ito po yung specialty nila na napakasarap na hipon. Ayan. And as you can see naman, Eman really loves sushi. Diba?
Make
That's
sure to
why.
subscribe.
What?
Make sure to subscribe. You forgot to say that.
Yeah, okay. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. Okay?
So,
You talk to them. Come on.
subscribe.
After you eat. After you eat. Okay. We almost finish it. Look.
I'm put so much finish.
Huh?
My plate so much finish. Just one juicy now.
Yeah. I see that you really love sushi. Oh my God. Okay.
I don't like the vomit. Sometimes
Okay,
I eat
that's
too
it.
much food.
Yeah. That's
I'm
it.
just no way to my stomach to reset. Actually, I'm gonna drink water so we can all sink down.
Yeah. The food will sink down.
Let's sink down food. Now
Bless
the
you.
food turned to burps.
Okay, thank you so much, Lord, for this yummy food. Diba?
Let's
What
eat
will you
the
say
rest
to God that we're giving us food for everyday mukbang? We have to thank God every day,
Yeah,
right?
because sometimes we're gonna die from no eating food. 'Cause
Yeah, true. That's why we have to thank God for every day, okay? Are you praying? Sometimes?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, like that. Oh, that's good. See, mga kadonya at mga chikiting dyan, we have to thank God for every day na may kinakain po tayong food na napakasarap, especially sa ating mukbang. Ayan, mga kadonya, thank you so much for always watching our mukbang video and for supporting Kadonya. And sa mga plus size out there, guys, isa na naman po ito sa mga plus size clothing ni Kadonya. If you want to avail this kind of dress, na chalis po siya, I'll show you ito I'll show you the page ng aking clothing line, clothing page. Ayan. So, para sa mga plus size na struggle nila ipaghanap ng mga damit na pang plus
How to
size.
do that is type in Facebook.
Yeah, I will post it in my video. Yeah. Ayan, guys. As you can see, si Eman naubos na po yung isang sushi pa kasi gustong-gusto niya. And ako naman po ay sobrang busog na po ako. And ayun guys, later we will gonna celebrate Eman's birthday. Sixth birthday of Eman. Ayan. So, ayan what will you say to the audience, to the Kadonyas out there? What they're gonna do? You have to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
There's like a mango and everything.
Yeah. Oh, you put it here. You tell the Kadonya first to subscribe to my channel. Come on.
Subscribe in her channel.
Okay, tell them one. Mga Kadonya.
Mga Kadonya.
Okay.
Please subscribe in this channel.
Tita's channel. Channel. And click the notification bell.
And
Subscribe. Tell them.
subscribe.
Ayan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos namin i-upload soon. Stay safe everyone. Bye! Say bye!
Bye.